My name is Jonathan Urnetta, and I am working on making my level a little bit more visual effects. As a player, I want to go into a volcano and learn to master puzzles. I am making an arena or area for the puzzles to be built upon to implement the IPM Introduction, Progress, and Master. I worked on it uh, for a couple of days, and I just uh, now posted it as done today. And I am working on the build, which recent build, and this is what I've accomplished. I made a dome, landscape, and lava. I put in some blazers and a background of walkways. These stones are still in production. They will be able to lift up by using magic. And once the player casts the magic, he's able to go across the lava. These will be on a timer to where they go down into the lava, and the player must reach across before they fall. So for right now, they're just static. The lava does have damage. It takes away 25% of the health each time it's stepped on. This is still in development as we still trying to figure out how to get this doorway to be a doorway instead of a veil. So right here, they will have to implement the grapple hook by pressing E and launching it with Q, and across the lava. But as you could tell, it's still in development. We need to figure out how to switch it from just run off a cliff in order to just jump and initiate the rope grapple to go across the map. Let's see if I could attempt this a second time. The staircase is also needs to be adjusted a little bit. Going here, grapple, cross, and still it is buggy to where it will possibly attach and come apart. What I have also done is developed a little volcano outside this volcano. Player cannot get up on the bricks once fallen. Let me try this again. Hopefully I could make the attempt at crossing lava outside. Really need to make an adjustments along the way. I can grapple, and swing across. Or nope, it will not. So I have placed in a volcano with smoke to fill the air, lava with smoke coming from it on the ground. But as of right now, the grapple hook is malfunctioning and I'm unable to go from one of the ledges to the next. And that is a bug that I need to fix. Well, thank you for your time.
Hi everybody, my name's Jessica Beloso, and what I worked on this sprint was I'll start with the main story task, and I'll work my way into the subtasks that go along with it. As a player, I want puzzles to solve to progress. This is the mastery for the implemented puzzles. So for this, I must mix the spinning puzzle and the bar placing puzzle, like place the bars on the pedestal. So I mix the two together. The puzzle starts to spin when the correct bar is on its pedestal. Removing the bar will stop it from spinning. Placing and picking up the bar is done with E, which that was already done before. When all the portions are in the correct position, the door will open, letting the player through. So here, this was simple. I just used the other puzzle spinner, and I grabbed a different picture. It's literally just, instead of a black dragon, it's a red dragon, and I swapped the image. So that was very, very simple. Go back, and the next part of it is I needed to create new pedestals that start the puzzle spinning when its bar is placed on it, and when the bar is removed, it stops spinning. So this didn't get done yet. When the bar is placed on the pedestal, you are able to interact with the pedestal to spin the puzzle. I'm still working on getting it to place the bar, the thing stops spinning. Take the bar off, it stops. So right now it's just an interact to spin, and you're not allowed to interact until the bar is placed. Then here, the new bars must be able to be dropped anywhere, because at the moment you can only place a bar on its pedestal. That is still true. The bars can be picked up and put down, and bar must snap to its pedestal when in range, so it's not too hard for the player to place it correctly. That was just like, if the player is standing crooked, instead of it going on the floor, it will go onto the pedestal because you're in that volume. Right, and we will move over to, here's our build. This is where I have it unzipped in. So actually, I'll just go here. We'll show in Explorer. So there's the build test, the zipped one, and here is the unzipped. Start here. And we'll just jump right into Frigid Highlands where I have it. I'm ready. So first thing we want to do is run over and get into the castle. Too far. press E to pick up a bar. This is the first puzzle. This is one half of the new task I created. So I took this puzzle and the puzzle from Dragon's Point, and I kind of mixed the two. You'll see that once we get there. So now we come up here. And I will be building this upper area so that the bars aren't just sitting in front of the pedestal. So you press the bar and then you press E and it moves. When it gets to the right position, it turns green. You walk over here, you cannot press E to do anything. And if you take the bar here, go to put it on the wrong pedestal, it will not work either. So it has to be the correct pedestal. I'm adding lights above these pedestals that match the actual color of the bars, like when they're on the floor. So that way you know which bar goes to which pedestal, basically. And that was what I have been working on for this sprint.
Hi, my name is Catherine Asbill, and I will be showing you the thing I worked on, Jira. So this is the build that we're using. It's this 10.22.626, uploaded yesterday. So here is the Jira task I will be showing you. So the cutscene in Frigid Highlands boss movement was wrong. So originally the boss did some crazy moonwalking stuff, and every single playtester that got that far commented on it. So this was a pretty severe thing that needed to be fixed. So here we are. Once you get through the puzzle there, it updates it. So it says investigate the disturbance at the temple. So then I added this trigger in, this yellow exclamation mark. It says players come stand right here. So here we go. Here's the new cutscene. He steals it. And then we go back to the player, and he's just walking at us, and he's gonna beat our ass. So that is the new cutscene. That it's not nearly as moonwalky or dancey as the original one. I'm just beating his butt just because he's annoying me. There we go. He's dead. Yep. So yeah, that's one of the things I worked on. Thank you for watching.
Hello, my name is Luke Sheldon, and today I will be doing a build test and going over one of the Jira tasks that I have been focusing on during this sprint. So here we see we've got build test 17 submitted on January the 7th. That is change list number 1022626, just so we can confirm that everybody is using the exact same build. That was updated at 10:30 p.m. on January the 7th. So we'll go ahead and open that up now. And the first thing that we're going to look at here is the Jira task that I've been working on. Currently, this bug that we encountered during some of our play tests is the grappling hook is not currently attaching to the socket correctly. So basically the grappling hook appears to attach to the player's feet rather than their hand. What we expect to happen, the expected result, is that the grappling hook is going to appear in the player's hand when in use as if they are throwing out a rope and attaching to a hook point and in order to grapple and swing from one location to another. The actual result, the grappling hook appears to attach to the player's feet currently, so kind of a strange visual bug. Steps to replicate, this actually occurs every single time that you use the grappling hook, and it's just a visual bug, so it's annoying, yes, but severity is 5 out of 10 because it's not game breaking. As you can see, we've got subtask here is to reattach the grappling hook to the socket. I thought that's all it was going to take, but let's go ahead and jump into the build and take a look at what we've got going on. Alright, so over here in the build, I've got the player located near a grappling point. There you can see we've moved in range, and the symbol appears, allowing for us to grapple. So if we go ahead and jump, and there you can see the grappling hook attaches, but it's positioned at his feet currently. Let's go ahead and detach real quick. And unfortunately, changing the socket name and trying to fix the bug that way has proved unsuccessful. So I'm still trying to figure out exactly how to solve this issue, but that is what I've currently been working on in the last day or so. So going to continue working on that bug and trying to solve that issue. Thank you for your time.